9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Nagalupad na ang Wheel of Chicks ni Miss Angelica.
Miss Angelica, ano na?
Kanag-dive diretso sa beach.
No, gusto ni maligo sa dagat ato nga borador.
Para naman nagalupad partner ng iba ng mga kite. We have
Heading off.
there
Department of Tourism, Western Visayas. Kang naglupad na siya, partner. Of our 11th Tourism Kite Festival Competition.
So this is the ceremonial kite flying, everyone. A big round of applause to the ceremonial kite flying that is happening now.
Yes, can we hear a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Atong naugunan mga handumigapi parang ay ako lang ang magalupad. Simulos ang paglaom, ang pag-asinso magapadayon. Ihanda ang mga gulyon. Lupad, lupad, lupad.
Alright again, ladies and gentlemen, we are witnessing the ceremonial kite flying right here at Poblacion Beachfront. This is a celebration of the 24th Charter Anniversary of Sipalay City.
And partner, para sa ating first category, please get ready, flat kites entries. Again, flat kites entries, we're requesting you to please get ready kay in a while, mag-start na ang ating competition.
That is right.
Again,
This
flat
is
kites category, please be ready.
Alright, this is in celebration of the 11th Burangoy Tourism Kite Festival Kite Flying Competition. And again, flat kite category, please get ready.
And as of the moment, partner, dinidagin makita kung sino di ang mga sagad or mga skilled sa pagpalupad sa aton nga mga borador in celebration sa aton nga Burangoy Tourism Kite Festival.
So sa subong partner, tanan nga mga nag-witness ang ulo ara sa babaw, nagatangla ang tanan-tanan. Kaya to ang mga nami kag colorful nga talan naawon sa babaw.
Yes, again, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing the ceremonial kite flying. So once again, partner no ang pagpalupad sa aton nga ceremonial kite subong, nagapakita kay sang aton nga pagpanggas sang maayo nga relasyon, kalipay kag paghiliusa. So partner, samtang magalin ini sa duta, naglupad na siya sa aton nga kahanginan, do pariyo man ini partner sa aton nga handom nga of course magtaas pa ang sipalay sa pag-uswag kag paghimakas para sa maayong buwas damlag.
That is very true. Kana tan-awon sa mga borador nga nagalupad as part of the ceremonial kite flying partner sa aton ground mismo sa baybayon sang siyudad sang Sipalay.
Yes, so amo sa to partner, tanawan ninyo kung paano nagalupad ang aton nga mga borador. Isa ini partner no katimaan nga ang aton pag-iusa, gugma para sa aton nga culture kag kalipay nga aton ginaambit subong nga adlaw.
That is true, partner, that is true.
So madamo gid nga salamat sa tanan nga nagupod sa aton ceremonial kite flying.
Yes.
Magapadayon pa partner ang kasadya sa aton kite flying competition. Kag again gonna request naton ang aton nga flat kite category to please get ready. Kagangiban pa nga mga activities partner. So tani mag-enjoy ang tanan kag magpabilin nga may bugos nga suporta sa aton binalangga nga si Palay. So padayon lang partner ang kasadya.
That is true. So once again, a big round of applause to our invited guest, special guest for the ceremonial kite flying.
Yes, that's right.
And as we are getting ready for the first entry, the flat kite category, I think they're ready. So ready na siguro at mga flat kites ng mga category? Because at this very moment, we are going to start the kite flying competition 2025. So again, ladies and gentlemen, don't miss the chance to witness breathtaking kite designs and feel the thrill of the festival spirit. So ladies and gentlemen, let's paint the sky together! As we are going to introduce the board of judges. So again, the first kite for the flat kite category is already. So here are the board of judges, starting off with. For our technical aspect, we have a liaison officer, Visayas Mindanao Kite Association of the Philippines. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Mr. Carlito Perez.
And our next judge for the technical aspects, we have the Vice President of Visayas Mindanao Area Kite Association of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome our second judge, Mr. Jonathan Husol.
And now, for the next judge, our last judge for the technical aspect, the President of the Kite Association of the Philippines. A big round of applause to the one and only Mr. Orlando Tomas de Onquinco. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time our judges for the technical aspect. And now, our judges for the visual aspect. Starting off with Sports Cultural Affairs Director and Director Busilak Dance Theater Company of Southland College, Kabankalan. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause to Mr. John Mark M. Alpay.
And our next judge for the visual aspect, we have a freelance photojournalist, writer, and One-Day News Asia, and a Visayan Daily Star. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome our second judge, Mr. Andrew G. Altarejon.
And to complete our judges for the visual aspect, the owner of Archipelago Go, Mr. Rai Leones.
And ladies and gentlemen, our panel of board of judges. And by the way, partner, kagaina sa dami na register ang aton yung mga participants sa aton different entries and categories. Nag-start naman ang aton judging.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, si Father's Day! The flat kite category is about to start. Up, up, and away. Let the kite flying competition 2025 begin! Starting with our entry number 1. Fly high, soar high, wow na wow, si Palay!
pwede maglupad. So first time, may chance po sila nga para magkaliwan.
Yes, that is right. So sa bugos, nga sa mga bisita at sa sila sa Sipalay, it's time to witness the Kite Flying Festival or the Kite Flying Competition 2025. So entry number 2, ano sa baba, nagilipad-lipad na. So look up everyone! The sky is coming alive with a spectacular dance of colors as the first two kites take flight. So with each gust of wind, they soar higher, painting the sky with vibrant colors and incredible artistry. And now, entry number 3!
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. At na si entry number 3. Now maligo siya sa bye-bye corner.
So 3, that is number 1,
Number 1 ang maligo sa bye-bye corner. Entry number 4, get ready.
So the thrill is in the air as competitions skillfully maneuver their kites, butting the breeze and each other in a test of agility and control.
Order entry number 4 is ready.
So some kites glide gracefully, while others dart and dive in a mesmerizing aerial display. Ang iba ang entry number 1 nag-dive into the water.
Parker ay nag-join sa aton na flat kites category, mga local kite makers din naton.
true.
Na nag-join sa workshop naton during the Kite Festival workshop. So,
That is true.
yes, ang iba din nga mga kabataan, mga local kite makers, bigyan naton partner.
Yes, very
And
young, very
entry
young.
number 4 is getting ready.
Alright, get ready. Entry number.
Entry number 4 is
Number
getting ready to
4.
fly. And here they go. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
There you go. Huwag kang mag-dive sa water.
Wow! It is a little lousy pie!
Feel the excitement, hear the cheers, and embrace the joy of this timeless tradition. The wind is perfect, the kites are ready, so the company is still start actually, partner.
Yes, right now, partner, entry number 5 is getting ready. Entry number 5, ready! In 3, 2, 1! There you go, partners! The colorful flat kite category entry number 5 is on the air!
Katanda, partner,
As you can see,
tanda.
partner, 5 na ka-entries ang nagalupad sa atong kalangitan for the flat kite category.
It's getting more colorful right now here para sa Poblacion Beach Front. So kanami tanawon kaya ang mga alimaka first pa lang entry sa the flat kite nagalupad na. Kinda dive na sa
Nasa-dive na sa dagat. Okay.
Kinda dive na after a few minutes of flying on the air.
Yes. Entry number 6 is getting ready. Again, entry number 6 is getting ready. In 3, 2, 1! Oy,
Also,
hindi
like
na
acknowledge the partner, si Mr.
Okay, may isa pa sila ka-chance, partner. May isa pa sila ka-chance
Mervin.
na ipalupad ang ilang burador.
Hello, hello, and good morning. We have the Key 5 News right here for us right now, partner.
Okay, requesting entry number 2 and 3, maisol na kita. Again, entry number 2 and 3, maisol kita sa aton nga burador.
Alright, again.
Entry number 2 and 3, giisol na ton ang aton nga burador.
Okay, adjust sa tagamay. Entry number 2 and 3.
Entry number 6 is getting ready.
Please get ready, entry number 6. Also, we'd like to acknowledge partner will be the partners from GMA News. We have Sir Wilson, Juliana,
Alright, entry number 7
and
is
we have Sir
getting
Mervin
ready.
Marcoma.
Again, entry number 7, please get ready.
Entry number 7 and 3, 2. Look Ano nagulupad?
Ayaw man ang iyang abilidad.
As you can see, partner, colorful skies,
Ibutangan niya gloves para pangpabugsa.
colorful kites, partner, is spinning in the sky as of the moment. And right now, we had already 7 flat kite entries na naglupad na, partner. Entry number 8 is getting ready. Entry number 8 is ready to fly. Entry number 8, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Pag nadagdag sa partner. Entry number 8 is still have your last chance nga pa ba doon ang imong mga flat kite entry. Entry number 8, once again.
Get ready, once again, entry number 8. Okay, there you go. Wala na nagalupad na ang entry number 8 with a colorful orange and black na butterfly.
Alright, so ang mga entries natin nga nauna na, entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, ipa, forward na natin ang aton nga mga borador.
Yes, we
Again,
move forward na.
entries 1 to 6, please.
Alright, entry number 9, nakaplasta naman. And about to fly. Entry number 9, get ready. At the count of 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Oh my goodness. Now, entry number 9. That's entry number 9.
Yes, that's entry number 9, ladies and gentlemen. And again, partners, some of the participants sa ating flat kite categories are our local kite makers.
Yes. So they attended actually the workshop of the tourism office. Also with the help of
As you
the
can see,
Office of
partners,
Philippines.
very exciting! Sa entry number 9. Kaya nag-adjust kita kung di nagahuyop ang hangin.
Yes, nag-glide siya sa direksyon ng hangin. And of course, kinamaneuver man siya sa tadlong sa ating kite flyer.
May kite maker. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Ara na, damo-damo na nagadilupad.
Yes, so again, partner, ang mga nauna na natin na entries, i-forward na natin.
Alright,
Entry number 10 is
Get
ready.
ready. Entry number 10, 10 and 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Okay, wala, partner. Okay. You'll have your last chance na pala pa doon ang imong aborador. Entry
Again,
number
get ready.
10.
Number 10.
Yes!
There you go.
So, partner, entry number 10 na ara na sa aton nga kalangitan. Spreading the vibe of colorful kites. Feeling in the sky. Wow! So, partner, may ara na kita pulo ka entries na nagalupad sa aton nga kalangitan para sa aton nga
Flat kite category.
Ano to siguro nga entry, partner, na dumaligo sa sadaka. Pero very exciting and thrilling.
11. Entry number 11, please get ready. At a count of 3, 2, 1, go! Entry number 11. Let's go!
Wow! Partner! Hindi lang isa, kundi
Dua.
yeah, the flat kite entry ang araw.
Wow!
That's entry number 11, ladies and gentlemen.
So sabay na sa mga maruwis na partner nga nagapanong.
Kumakain lang, partner, entry number 11.
Barangay ito, nag-imo sila.
Para siya nagalutaw-lutaw sa babaw, nagalupad-lupad freely.
So, siguro na
Alright, entry number 12 is getting ready to fly. Entry
Natisting
number
naman nila
12.
kung kagahapon. So namin naman ang lupad niya. Pero
Entry number 12.
I think hindi kita masyado stabilize ang iyang lupad. Okay lang yapon ang iyang lupad sa karon.
Entry number 12 is getting ready to take off. And 3, 2, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, entry number 12. It's like a flipping eagle.
The Spready Eagle ng flat kite entry number 12. Wow, what?
And partner, kung sa talawa ko sila nag-maneuver sa entry number 12. Very young, Akino.
Wow!
Taglo nga.
Ang mga partner, so ano pala ang iyo sa aton nga entry number 12. I think, ano ni sa group partner, local nato nga
Local
kite racer.
partner for sure.
Very skilled sa very young age. Sagad-sagad na siya magpalupad sa iyang aburador. And by the way, that's entry number 12.
Kumain nyo ng kabalo na sa...
Alright, requesting our entries 1 to 12 nga ma-move na kita forward. Again, entries 1 to 12, i-move na natin forward ang aton nga mga aburador.
Yes, let's move forward. At Poblacion Beach po.
Bago ka lang
Let's move forward mga buradors.
Medyo...
Entry number 13 is getting ready.
Suggest pa ang
13.
kabugaton sang thread. Kabugaton sang...
Alright, entry number 6, balikan sa partner.
iyang
Tagaan chance
frame
entry
kag
number
ang
6.
iyang
Entry number 6.
pila.
Get ready, entry number 6 for your last chance.
Stabilize ni siya.
Get ready, entry number 6.
Lupad din sa
And
taas.
3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Entry number 6.
Wait lang.
Number 12, move forward to number 12.
Okay, requesting
tingin naman sa
entry number
kakain
12.
Move at siya siguro.
I-forward na natin entry number 12.
Hindi ama.
Alright, again, entry
hindi siya
number 6,
makasak.
let's get ready.
Ay,
Entry number 6
Six ang iyang,
is 3, 2, 1, go! Out of entry number 6.
Second chance.
Alright, wala again. Nakalupad sa entry number 6. Nagsukarap
Please
siya
not try
ngayon,
the partner.
nag-dive siya
Try and
ngayon.
try ano anting nga maglupad. Ang aton nga burador.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am and sir.
Entry number 13. Please get ready. Entry number 13. In 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Wow! Entry number 13 is also part of our flat kites category.
Let's go sa nag-maneuver. Another pata part na nag-maneuver.
Wow! Very
Kite.
skilled kid. First pa lang attempt, partner. First pa lang attempt, naglupad si Dadayon. Hindi naman sa
Maneuver sa tatlo na
balik.
dive. Diretso sa tubig.
After lupad, tumalangoy tayo partner how. By the way, the fish flat kite category is entry.
13.
That's entry number 13.
13. Hi ma'am, good morning.
Entry number 14 is getting ready.
Entry number 14. And 3, 2, 1. Entry number 14. Ara shot title naman sa
Wow, so cutie flat kite category entry number 14. Diyan ka na kita partner, isa ka ba nga nagalupad?
Dali lang sa jewel of the Sugar Island, the city of Sipalay. Next entry is entry number 15. If you're ready, entry 15, are you ready? He's ready, and 3, 2, 1!
Our NSTP Black Kite category entry number 15 is filling in the sky as of the moment.
Paugit siya.
Grabe partner na
Area Burador pa.
Grabe partner na creatives ang aton ng mga participants for the Black Kite category.
And thank you, partners. They are local designers and makers.
The other kids are already our local kite makers. Alright, entry number 12, 13, 14, and 15. We're requesting you na i-move forward ang inyong mga burador. Again, entries number 14, 12, 13, 14, 15. I-forward na natin ang aton na burador.
16. Entry number 16 is about to take off. 16. Let's get ready. Entry number 16. If you're ready, let's fly your Burador. Entry number 16.
Partner, ano na ang entry na ready?
16.
Alright.
Entry number 16. Alright, entry number 16 is getting ready. Para buwian na sa ere sa Poblacion Beach Front.
So again, ang aton nga entries number 12,
Ari na ang
13,
Phoenix. The Phoenix
14 and
about to
15.
fly.
Yes, i-move your
Entry number
forward.
16 in 3, 2, 1. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Lalo na kayo at si Phoenix. On the point attempt.
Doon ka bitin partner, doon na bitin kita sa Phoenix.
Tulang hangin. Okay, on your last attempt, on your last try, entry number 16. Okay, get ready once again, entry number 16.
Second chance na ni partner sa aton nga entry number 16.
Yes, kinahalagi ba kalupad yung Phoenix?
Let's go!
This is very colorful.
You know what partner? What's good about flying kites? Kaya dito ni makita kung paano ginamanuver sa aton nga mga competitors ang ilang skill.
Okay, there you go.
Entry number
Good shot.
16 is trying to fill in the sky. Pero kasi sa hangin, partner.
Yes. So, I don't know kung taga chance sa mga kalupad ko ron. So for now, let's move on to entry number 17. Entry number 17. Wala na kalupad si Phoenix, pero I don't know kung taga siya chance ka ron yung makalupad sa liwa. Okay, let's go. Entry number 17 and 3, 2, 1. There you go. Doon ulo naman yung partner ang design sa entry
Yeah, the
number 17.
colorful owl. That's entry number 17 for the Black Kite category. Partner katahom sa nga aton yung mga Black Kites category wherein ang iba naton nga mga bata partner are already our local kite makers. So ang iba naton participants ng mga kabataan are the local prize makers.
Entry number 18. Ano din yung entry, sir? Entry number 18 na sir, no? 18. So entry number 18 is get ready in 3, 2, go!
Up and away! Entry number 18 for the flat kite category. There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Katanda.
Entry number 18 is battling the breeze and each other in a test of agility and control right there, partner.
So some kites glide gracefully, while others dart and dive in a mesmerizing aerial display, and some others dive into the water. Wala pa ang entry number 19. Piling. Oh, alright. So wala tayong entry number 19. Alright. We are remind to our participants for kite flat for my entry number 19. May ara. My entry number 19.
Imagine, partner, for the flat kite category na lambot na kita sa entry number 19. So meaning, ako na ka na mo, partner, ang ato ng mga skilled ng mga kabataan kaga entries para sa flat kite category.
So entry number 19 is about to take off.
Wow!
You're ready, entry number 19. In 3. Kaso dulang hangin.
Entry number 19
Let's
is
go! Entry number 19.
off and away! Entry number 19.
Papayagan na maneuver partner sa entry number 19.
Yes, bata man o kung tigulang, partner, babahi o kung lalaki. Pwede gid makapalupad sang aton nga borador, and it is from the flat kite category, entry number 19. Entry number 20 is getting ready. Again, entry number 20, get ready.
We also would like to acknowledge partner the Coast Guard of the Philippines present right here today sa Baybay Man sa Poblacion Beachfront. Mga sir, thank you so much for your presence.
Entry number 20 is fitting in. First attempt. The first attempt of entry number 20. Alright, let's get ready. Entry number 21.
Entry number 21 is about to take off.
There you go, our entry number 1, the Spider. Flat kite category, entry number 21 is filling in the sky as of the moment, ladies and gentlemen.
We would like to acknowledge the presence, the arrival of beloved City Mayor, Honorable Maria Gina M. Lizarre.
Yes, getting ready, partner, is our entry number 22. Are you ready? Entry number 23 rather. Entry number 23 is getting ready. In 3, 2. Hindi pa ready, partner.
So again, partner, let's acknowledge one more time the arrival of our City Mayor, Honorable Maria Gina M. Lizarre.
Yes, good morning, Mayor! And welcome here. number 22.
Entry number 22. Please get ready.
Entry number 22.
Are you ready? 22? In 3, 2, 1.
Wow, Benaway!
Alisha, let's go! Let's go!
Wow!
Let's go up to the sky!
Diin ka daw baka kita partner, gapaka-paka pero nagalupad.
Wala siya ginagawa, gilupad
The flying frog. Ang bulis na ginabala ka partner.
Different species, taga lupad.
Yes.
So yung makita sa
Poblacion B.
Yes.
Ng Sipalay City.
So sa Jewel of the Sugar Island na makita, dito mismo sa sagad sa Sipalay. Entry
Wow!
Entry number 23 is about also to take off. Entry number 23. Please get ready. In 3, 2, 1. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Entry number 23.
Nara partner, diin ka daw may itsura ina iyang flat kite category. Entry number 23. Oh, di ba partner? Grabe ka creative sa aton ng mga local kite makers.
And flyers at the same time.
Yes, entry number 24 is getting ready. Again, entry number 4, please get ready.
So we have entry number 24.
Let's go! Sabog naman partner, we are witnessing flying poppy? Flying poppy!
Sa mga dog lovers dyan.
Sa mga poppy lovers, para ni sa inyong entry. By the way, that's entry number
23,
24.
4.
As you can see, partner, nabutamo kita sa sari ng mga species nga makita nga nagalupad sa aton nga kalangitan. May ada kita. Flying frog, flying poppy, flying... And we are down to our last entry, partner. Entry number 25.
Alright, sa aton yung mga naglilupad sa babaw nakalupad na mga kite, pwede na pamatamat na padalo.
Entry number 25 is getting ready. Ipapanahog nila ito na ang mga nauna na. Yes, ipapanahog or move forward palihog.
Yes, let's move forward din natin. Paano na naglupad yung mga burador? Or pwede ba na ipadalom na natin? As we're getting ready for the next entry.
Okay, we're down to our last entry number 25, partner. For the flat kite category. Wala na.
Figure na to sir, di ba?
Alright.
Alright, so our last entry partner for the flat kite is 24.
Yes, we are now down. Our next moving on at the partner.
The next category.
Next category, the figure kite category.
So ladies and gentlemen, we're about to witness now the entries from the figure kite category. So inaog na tanan yung mga flat kites nga entries. Kay magasugod na ang atong next category, ang atong figure kite category. And ang entry number 1 for the figure kite is getting ready already. So, are we ready? For the figure kite?
Hello, sound check. So once again, partner, para sa ating judges, our next category is the figure kite
category.
category. And I guess entry number 1 is ready. Alright, wala pa partner.
Wala
Ready
pa,
pa
wala
nga doon
pa.
ang mga
So,
judges.
clear pa ang bilog na area space. Para
Yes.
magulupad ang mga next na mga categories.
For our flat kite category, we are requesting you ngayon papanaog na nato na ang aton ng mga entries. Because we will now proceed to our next category.
The figure kite category. Medyo as we're getting slow sa partner, nag-get more exciting ang mga entries na magalupad sa baybay sa Poblacion Beachfront.
Yes, that is right.
Kagaya ng mga flat sa mga figure na. So we'll see kung paano magalupad ang mga figure kites na entries. We're ready!
Entry number 1 for figure kite category is ready.
In 3, 2, let's go! Yes!
Entry number 1.
So again, the sky is coming alive with a spectacular dance of colors as the first kite takes flight. So with each gust of wind, they soar higher, painting the sky with vibrant patterns and incredible artistry.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe ka creative gid partner kag mga maro-maro gid partner maghimo ang aton nga local kite makers and suppliers.
And of course, speaking of that partner, ara mismo naton sa upod naton sa buong dili sa Poblacion Beachfront, nag-witness a very colorful also,
Partner!
beautiful and
Entry number 2 is getting ready,
honorable
partner.
Maria Gina M. Lizares.
Entry number 2. Alpo, been away for the figure kite category.
No.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen, entry number 2 for the figure kites category.
Okay.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's entry number 2.
For the figure kites category.
Yes, partner, entry number 3 is getting ready. Again, entry number 3 is ready to fly in 3,
Ako nang bulan
2, 1. Up, up, hey!
Number 3, oh my goodness, very beautiful.
Wow, it is indeed a wow. Si Palay, entry number 3 for the figure kite category.
Swerte ka namin partner sa mga ganinupad yung mga figure kites.
I cannot imagine, partner, kung paano na nila ginhimo kaya wala ko yung talent or skill sa pag-obra sila. But kudos to our local kite makers and flyers.
That is true, and that's because of the help, the initiatives of our LGU headed by our City Mayor, Honorable Maria Gina M. Lizares, at the same time, through the Tourism Office, headed by Mr. Jeric Lacson.
Entry number 4, partner, is ready.
Entry number 4, get ready.
Entry number 4, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, gakuha pa builo, partner, ang entry number 4.
And of course, part of this is made even more possible because of the help and assistance of our partner, the Kite Association of the Philippines.
Together with, of course, our Korean Kite Association.
That is true.
Okay, ready na ang entry number 4, partner? In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Wow! Nagabato ang entry number 4, partner.
That is true.
Di kayo na rin makakita mo na katahong nga butterfly.
Yes, kada ko partner, kada mo sa iya, imagine kung paano siya napalupad sa babaw. No technique, skills, in
The
one.
visual aspects, partner. As you can see, we are now witnessing entry number 4 for the figure kite category.
Nag-araman, nagalupad-lupad si entry number 1, 2, and 3.
Sa tanan ng mga spectators. Yes, again, partner, ready naman ang ating entry number 5.
Katahong partner.
Partner, ready na ato entry number 5. In my count. Entry number 5 is getting ready.
Entry number 5 is about to take off. Ready when you are. Entry number 5. Number 5 for the figure kite category.
So partner, ano na ato nga flyer, kite flyer. Nag-ready na ka partner. Again,
This is entry number 5.
yes. Wow! Gilang
Number 5.
ready to
And
take
that's
off.
entry number 5. Get it ready at the count of 5. Is that entry number 5 or 6? Entry number 5.
Number 5 is ready to take off.
There you go. Alright, nasa entry number 5 ang orange. What is that part? Is that seahorse? Is that a seahorse? Or
I
what?
think it's
a
the
seahorse.
flying seahorse partner for the figure kite category.
Wow.
Hindi lang sila yung partner sa dagat. Pwede man sila gali sa langit,
sa ere.
kalangitan.
Wow.
Wow, how amazing.
Number 5? Wala.
Wala kita
Wala.
entry number
Number
6.
Wala sa entry number 6. Alright, partner, makita lost and found. Isa ka shoulder bag na Louis Vuitton. So kung alam this sa amon, sa mga host, alam lang de. Basta may nadulaan da sang bag, ang shoulder bag. Sa society ni ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Entry number... Alright, ang mga nauna na naton nga mga figure kites, ipapanaog na naton ang aton nga mga burador.
Yes, or we can move it forward as well.
Ayan.
Entry number 7. Entry number 7. Please get ready. Let's go. Entry number 7. Ara na sa entry number 7. Soaring higher and flying higher also. Again, part of the thrill is in the air as competitors skillfully maneuver their kites, battling the breeze and each other in a test of agility and control.
And right now, partner, entry number 8 is getting ready. Again, ladies and gentlemen, preparing to take off is entry number 8. So again, requesting ang aton mga nauna na mga gipalupad nga burador, i-move naton forward or ipapanaog na naton ang aton nga entries. Thank you very much. While entry number 8 is getting ready, sa aton nga mga spectators, nga kaupod naton nga nagatangla sa kalangitan, matululungan kita karon pamanyo sa aton nga liog. Alright! That's entry number 8 is now taking off. Yes, there you go, ladies and gentlemen, our flying kining centipede. Hindi lang sa dalong duta, pero may ara man gali centipede sa kalangitan. Tagdiri lang na nato makita live sa Poblacion Bees.
So this is a celebration of our to support the short anniversary celebration of our beloved city. This is the 11th Burangoy Tourism Kite Festival Kite Flying Competition.
Yes, partner, entry number 9 is getting ready. Yes, i-move forward na naton ang mga nauna naton ng mga borador. Sa aton kite flyers, you are requested nga i-move forward ang aton ng mga borador. Thank you very much. Because
Alright,
entry number 9, partner, is getting ready.
Our next entry is about also to take off. This entry number 9. There you go. Entry number 9.
So, subong partner, doon na himutaran, doon aton entry number 9.
So biyahe na figure
Dao
out
ni
na nato,
partner mga huring-huring kung ano na kuno nga figure ang entry number 9.
So gina-figure out na nato paano nga figure ang entry number 9 yung nagalupad-lupad sa mong. Although few pang stage pa lang, doon muna. Ano na purposes?
Alright, you are requested, kite flyers, for the figure kite category.
Subok pa forward.
Yes, move forward na kita.
Alright, ang next entry pa na doon na palapag. Ganyan na part ng next entry.
Yes.
Entry number 10.
Is getting ready, partner, entry number 10.
Entry number 10, get ready! So medyo challenging nga number 10. Super
And exciting at the same
tama?
time.
That is true. Ano ang entry number 10?
Na,
Oh my goodness! Papunta arating
Spider-Man!
Wow! Hi Spider-Man!
Kaupod, partner, ang damo-damo nga mga gagmay, mga minimalist, nga mga burador.
Yes! Kasi sa katapusan, partner sa mga buradores, si Spider.
Wow, partner, as you can see.
Katanda sa
Our entry number 10,
Spider-Man!
the minimalist buradors. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. May aral na kita pulo ka entries para sa figure kites categories nga naga pasundayag sa aton kalangitan live here at Poblacion Beach.
Yes, that is true. Kaganda kay Spider-Man.
Hoy,
Yes, sir? Next entry? Last
Number
entry?
11.
11 for the figure kites category. So, napadlupa na sa Spider-Man
Nag-enjoy kita si Spider-Man ah. Entry number 11 is getting ready.
Okay, entry number 11 for the figure kite. Ready when you are!
Southern partner, at the moment we are witnessing the figure kite category. Naglayara na kita pulo kana na nagsari nga figure kite nga nagpasundayag sa aton kalangitan.
Yes, there's two partners today. Our last entry for the figure kite is getting ready for his turn to fly right here at Poblacion Beach Pond.
Entry number 11 is getting ready to fly. And by the way, partner natin ng Board of Judges, ari lang mati sa palibot. Nag-aupod sa atong tangla, partner.
That's true. And right na para bugos na puno sa sipalay ali sa buong sa Poblacion Beach Pond. Tanan niya matatwa sa babaw, partner. Wala sa dalog. Tanan nagatangla sa babaw.
Yes. Entry number 11, are you ready to fly? In 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Ara na, partner.
Whoa! For the first, let's go. Fly high, fly it high. Fly it high!
Bato ang hangin! Yes, nag-try gini ang atong entry number 11. Let's go!
Let's go!
Nanusik ang aton na entry number 11.
So sa pag-maneuver,
May ara pa siya last chance, partner. May second chance pa siya.
Oh, may second chance pa.
Okay, mabalik. Entry number 11, mabalik.
Siguro partner sa pag-maneuver. Siguro at first, siguro dahil. Doon nakita ko ang technique para makalupad siya, makasteady siya sa babaw.
Ako, partner, ko gusto ko kinamatunan kung ano lang ang technique na magpalupad sa bato.
Tanay, tapos once na steady sa babaw, ang matamato mo na pataas ang iyang higo.
Ang higot, partner. So, very observant sa imo, partner.
Yes!
And of course, I know ang mga spectators natin, partner, nagapamangkot man ano kung paano na nila ginahimo ang pagpalupad sa burador.
O, dapat siguro amat-amat ang pagpalulos ng iyang higot.
So, once again, taking the second chance for entry number 11. Let's go, entry number 11!
Let's go, biyata!
Sige, butunga!
Biyata ang higot!
Butunga again!
Let's go!
Tagal ko naman ang stick. Gini ang entry number 11.
Let's go! Ang buhigot sa babaw! Butong-butong ang higot! Let's go! Naghahanap ng parugoy!
Nagabato niya, partner natin, entry number 11.
Ay, higot! Ang higot! Ang higot!
Butunga!
Ang higot!
Alright. There you go, entry number 11. And right now, for our next entry, partner.
Ari ay, doon namin ni partner ang sunod na entry. Ang 3D geometric. Right? We're done with the figure height, partner. The last entry is 11 for the figure height.
So, for the figure guides, may 11 kita ka-entries.
Yes. And we're now down to the next category, the 3D geometric.
Wow! 3D geometric height figures are also preparing right now, so they may now fill in the sky. Entry number 1.
Number 1. Entry is ang Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management of Lima College Training Centers Incorporated. Sir, good luck, sir, ha? Pala ba, sir? Oh,
Yes. Wow! Very exciting, partner. Entry number 1, let's go! Go, partner, kagarita ko.
Ang Lima! Ay, hindi pa nagalain sa buwan? Alin sa buwan? Okay, let's go!
Yes, naglupad na, partner, ang entry number 1 for the 3D geometric height category. And our next entry. Target pala, partner, ang ginalagas.
Target lock!
Kaya dumaging target lock ka na. Alright, going on to entry number 2 for the 3D geometric height category.
Okay, let's go into number 2. They're getting ready for their entry.
Entry number 2 is getting ready. Ready to take off. Ikaw ni makaunt ako, partner.
Okay, sige. Okay, now they're getting ready for their turn. We have have entry number 2. Let's go, entry number 2. Ini sigurado, siya mo na sila ka entry sa...
Wow! VMA Global College! And entry number 2, first time nila na mag-join.
Isang partner sa ilang entry nila Burador. Oh! Hindi naman saan partner, ano siya?
Bob Bro. So,
I don't know. Okay, Ara, first time magpalupad sa Vima.
Yes,
And so
sir.
far, so good.
Entry number 3 is getting ready. Number 3 is getting ready.
Katanda sa first timer partner.
Alright, entry number 3, are you ready?
Entry number 3, mga langga. Medyo kayo
Entry number 3 is taking off right now. There you go! Wow, partner!
Kadasig
Baka Ferris wheel sa iyang atay ito gusto ko na magsakay.
scoot lang sa iyang take off.
Pero hindi kita pa naman pag this is Spider-Man na yan. Chill lang daw Spider-Man ah. So right now, partner.
Duwa tatlo ka entry na sa studio geometric. Ara ang iya entry sa